Yes, brain developed in the womb. And pregnancy, the new human beings in the formed by the womb of the brain is developed in which the cerebrum has no fold soon. However, it develops the enable cerebrums. And the brain folds between and develops in the enable of the cerebrum to have the incredible number of the neurons in the very small space. General structure of the brain. Let us take a look of the general design of our brain, and it is generally divided into different part of the brain. The stem consists of the is three parts of the medulla oblongata and the pons, and the midbrain and the cerebellum is smaller than the cerebrum and has almost as many nerve cells at the cerebrum like the like the cerebrum and the cerebellum, and the cerebrum has a left and right hemisphere. Both the hemisphere are divided into the areas. The central sulcus, which appears on the here is separate the frontal lobe from the parietal lobe, and the temporal lobe to the occipital lobe, and the insular cortex can be found under the frontal parietal and temporal lobe. Human skull that we study in the lobes. First of all, let us first familiarize the other cell ourselves with the outer structure of the brain. Of the brain is fragile, which is protected by the whole skull, which consists of the several bones. In addition, with the brain and spinal cord are surrounded by the meaning of the first matrix, which is attached to the brain, and it is called the pia mater. And the blood vessels between the pia mater and the arachnoid mat supplied the brains and divide the dura mater is very robust form of the outermost of their cell of the three cells. Subarachnoid space are also present in that. There is a cell body which is present in the synapse.